Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. Let's see TS intermediate news and updates. So while the inter paper correction is going on, they saw an inter answer sheet of a student in which the student wrote an emotional note in his answer sheet saying the questions he studied did not come and that he has no parents. He requested the teacher to pass him and even drew a picture pleading for help. So, zero answers but 100% emotions. Next update is that evaluators, paper correctors are forced to sit on the floor at Telangana exam camps. Intermediate exam evaluation camps in Telangana are facing criticism over lack of basic facilities, with evaluators forced to sit on floors and walls, raising concerns among lecturers about irregularities, excessive workload, and possible impact on evaluation quality. The ongoing intermediate public examination answer scripts evaluation camps are witnessing chaotic scenes with some evaluators correcting papers while sitting on the floor and a few others evaluating them on the walls. Interestingly, at a few camps, the evaluators are correcting the answer scripts in groups. This situation has unfolded as the TGBI board has failed to provide basic facilities including dual desk, tables and chairs in some camps. Images of evaluators sitting on the floor and correcting answer scripts at a camp in Mehboob are being shared extensively on social media platforms on Friday. In one image, the evaluators were seen evaluating papers by placing them on the walls in the balcony. The lecturers are also complaining that officials made arrangements without ascertaining how many lecturers would take part in the camp. They also expressed concerns that if required facilities are not provided, it would impact the evaluation and results. Apart from this, the junior lecturers alleged that they were burdened with evaluating 45 answer scripts against the prescribed set of 30 answer scripts per evaluator per day. Furthermore, violating the rules that mandate evaluation to be done by a junior lecturer with at least 2 years of experience, inexperienced assistant examiners are being entrusted with the task. In addition, there are allegations that lecturers who have not conducted subject classes are being deployed for paper evaluation. This is a concern as physics, chemistry, and economics papers are to be evaluated during the next few days. The next update is that Telangana Intermediate Education Department will launch breakfast and midday meal schemes for students of 430 government junior colleges from 12 June. About 2 lakh students will benefit with meals to be provided through the Akshaya Patra Foundation. So the breakfast and meals will be provided via this foundation, providing midday meals to government and local body schools in the state. Every student will be given milk on 3 days a week and ragi malt on the remaining 3 days as a part of the breakfast scheme. The midday meal menu has not been finalized. However, the lunch might include khichdi, mixed vegetable curry, rice, sambar, green leafy vegetable dal, vegetable biryani, and mixed vegetable curry. So, this proposal has been made, and the midday meal serving has been entrusted to Akshaya Patra Foundation, which is expanding its operations with new kitchens across the state. The scheme will be launched by Chief Minister A. Revant Reddy on June 12th. Intermediate Education Department Director S. Krishna Aditya told Telangana today. Next update Telangana Inter Results 2026 expected soon as board speeds up evaluation, ensures double checking, and plans error free, transparent result release for students and parents across the state. So, the Inter board is working on a tight schedule to ensure results are announced without delays. Officials have indicated that the results are likely to be released before 10th April. The valuation process is currently progressing at a fast pace and expected to be completed by April 3rd. Following this, the technical processes such as coding and decoding will be carried out before finalizing the results. Sources suggest that the results could be announced between 6th April and 9th April, depending on the availability of Chief Minister Revant Reddy, who is expected to officially release them. Authorities have assured that the process is being handled with utmost care to avoid any errors. Learning from previous issues, the board has introduced a double valuation system this year. Each answer sheet is being evaluated twice to ensure accuracy and fairness before the final results are declared. Strict monitoring mechanisms have been put in place. Evaluation centers are under tight security and the entire process is being supervised through a command and control system. Only authorized personnel are allowed entry into these centers. To reduce pressure on evaluators and improve quality, teachers are assigned a limited number of answer sheets each day, but right now it is 45, which is very hectic. While officials are believing that this will help in careful checking and reducing chances of mistakes, but because the paper load is more and the timing is also very hectic, so definitely errors are going to happen. The board has also increased remuneration for evaluators, encouraging them to maintain quality standards. Authorities are confident that with these measures, the results will be released smoothly and without controversies. With the evaluation nearing completion, students can expect the Telangana inter results soon, bringing clarity on their academic progress and next steps. Students, if you think I was able to help you, then don't forget to hype this video and don't forget to contact me on my Telegram ID if you want easy notes. Do check out the playlist that I gave in the comment section and hit the bell icon to get notified for my next upcoming video.